In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact your Uber driver about a lost item. If you've left something behind in an Uber, don't worry, the process is pretty straightforward, and in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to reach out to the driver using the Uber website in Chrome. The key is to move carefully through the correct menu so you can find the right trip and send your contact information properly. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to uber.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the Uber account you used for the ride where the item was left behind. This is important because your trip history is tied to that account and you'll need access to it to continue. After you're logged in, look for your profile account, drop-down menu. Open that menu and select Trips. This will take you to your ride history where you can review your previous journeys. Take a moment here to locate the specific past trip connected to the missing item. Choosing the correct trip matters, because the lost item request will be linked directly to that ride and to the driver who completed it. Once you found the right trip, click the link for that past ride to open its details. On the trip details page, look for the option labeled Find a Lost Item. Select that and then choose Contact Driver about a lost item. This is the option designed specifically for situations where something was left in the vehicle, and it helps route your request the right way. Next, you'll be asked to enter a fallback contact phone number. Type in the mobile number where you can currently be reached, then click Submit. Make sure the number is entered carefully and correctly because this is the contact line the driver may use to get in touch with you regarding the missing item. If possible, use a number you can answer promptly, since quick communication can make it easier to recover your belongings. After you submit the request, keep your phone nearby and monitor it for incoming calls. In many cases, timing can make a difference, especially if the driver is still working nearby or has only recently finished the trip. That's all it takes. By opening Uber in Chrome, going to your trips, selecting the correct past ride, choosing the lost item contact option, and submitting your reachable phone number, you can quickly start the process of reconnecting with your driver and hopefully getting your item back.